What's the meaning of Bermudas? Bermudas. Bermudas.
Bermudas. Bermudas. Bermudas, also known as Bermuda shorts, are a type of casual shorts that are typically worn as part of a warm weather outfit. The shorts are named after the British overseas territory of Bermuda, where they were first popularized in the early 20th century. Bermudas are generally characterized by their knee-length cut and tailored appearance, often featuring a flat front and no cuffs. They are typically made from lightweight, breathable materials such as cotton or linen, making them ideal for wearing in hot and humid weather. Today, Bermudas are a popular fashion item worn by both men and women all around the world.